Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to check the request we had sent on Snapchat, and all we have to do is to launch our Snapchat application. And then from here, you're going to tap on your profile, and then since we want to check on the people that have been added by me, we want to scroll down until we see my friends. Then in here we can see all the people that are friends with us. You can also try by heading over to add friends. Then you can tap on the three dots and then you can tap on recently added. As you can see, these are the people that I have added. Another way that we can actually see if the people are actually friends with us is by, let's say, we can decide to tap on this person profile. Then once you tap on add friend, we're not going to see their personal information like their birthday, and we're just going to see their public profile. Another thing is that there is no way that we can be able to see everyone who we have added as our friends or have friends with us without us downloading it. And it's by heading here at the gear icon, and you're getting to where you're going to see my data, which is here at the bottom, just besides the logout. Then you're going to tap on my data. From there, we are going to tap on next. Once we are okay with the ticks, then we are going to choose the specific date range that we want to export our data from. If you're okay with it, we are going to wait until Snapchat is finished placing a couple of files. And as you can see just here, it says that this process can take a long time, possibly hours or days. And once it has finished downloading, we are going to be able to see a type of file, and they are going to tell us to download. Once we download it, we are going to head on over to our files, and we are going to see a file here or a file here at the download. Once we tap on it and unzip it, we are going to see all the people that we are friends with. Once we relocate that file that says friends. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.